Hi guys, today we will be learning about some of our seesaw tools. The first thing you have to do is always view the directions. The instructions tell you what you're supposed to be doing each day. After you read the directions, you can also play instructions. That means that you can hear your teacher telling you what you're supposed to do for the day. Let's move on. Now, to use your camera, you have the option of clicking on this tool right here, the camera button. After you do that, you will take a picture of yourself with the camera, or you can record a video of yourself. You can also upload a photo if you have a photo in your computer already saved. Let's move on to the next page. The next page is always going to be located on your right-hand side. Now we are going to see what this page says. Click the caption button to hear the directions. That means I have to click on the caption button. The caption button is located on the left-hand side.
On this slide, you have two activities. Where you see the star, you're going to use the label tool and type in your name. Where you see the heart, use the move tool to move the clothes to dress the kids for the day.
Now that we heard our directions, by pressing the play button, I can click back on the page. If I need to hear the directions again, I will go back to the caption button. Let's use the typing tool. I will click here on the T and I will type. Oops, something went wrong. When that happens, all you have to do is click on here. This is the backspace button that helps you erase if you have a mistake. Let's click back on the T shape. Now I have a rectangle where I can type. Let's type my name. After this, I will move this rectangle to where it needs to go, which is right here. Remember, click on the T, type, and then move. Now we are going to look at this one. It says we are going to use the move tool. To use the move tool, what you need to do is click right here where you see the little hand. The move tool helps you move different items, such as the items in this lesson. Let's go on to the next page. Click the caption button to hear the directions. If you need to hear the directions, you can use the caption button. But I am going to read the directions. Use the pencil tool and draw a picture of you. Let's look for the pencil tool. The pencil tool is located at the bottom of the page. Now I see that these rainbow colors have popped up. What you can do is choose your favorite color and write with it. After you're done writing or drawing, what you're going to do is use the glow pen. Use the glow pen tool to write your name. I have to go back to the bottom tools and find the glow pen. After I use the glow pen, I'm going to choose a different color, and I am going to write my name. Now we have used the pencil tool and the glow pen. Let's go on to the next slide. Use the highlighter to highlight all the letter A's. The highlighter is also located at the bottom. I will click on it. Now I can highlight the letters that are A. After I do that, I will read the next one. Click on the three dots and add your favorite shape. The three dots are located right here. I will click on the three dots. Now I will click on Shapes and find my favorite. After I find my favorite shape, I click back onto the slide. And now I can move my shape and place it where it belongs. I can also change the size of my shape by pulling on these little circles. Now we will go to the next slide. Click on the three dots and pick a background. This is how you choose a background color. I will click here and find background. Now you can choose and you can scroll down and find the background that you love. After you do that, you click back and now the background has changed colors. Let's look at this one. Use the microphone to record a note for your teacher. I will find this microphone and I will record a note with it. Let's click on it. This will pop up and you have to start recording. Hello, how is everybody doing? After you do that, click on here. Now you are done. You are done recording, so you can click on done. And now your teacher can hear your voice. Hello, how is everybody doing? After you do that, click on here. Now let's go on to the next page. Click the caption button to hear the directions. Use the eraser to reveal the message. There is an eraser tool. Let's use it. You are truly amazing. Now we have gotten at the end of all of our slides. So what we need to do is read this. Click the green check to turn it in. So now we can finally turn in our work. Remember, we have reviewed all of the tools in Seesaw. And if you need to erase something, remember to click on here. Let's click on done so that we can finally be finished. And that is all. Now you have turned in your work to the class. Thank you, and I hope that you liked learning about the Seesaw tools.